The joint organizations of surrendered militants, JARC and JAC, have now called for an indefinite blockade of the national highway and railway routes over their 9-point demands. In 1995, the members of these organizations laid down their arms and returned to normal life following an appeal by the state government. However, they allege that no rehabilitation package has been announced for them till date. According to the organizations, they are not receiving any government benefits and are living in extreme hardship with their families. They blame the negligence of the state government and administrative authorities as the primary reason behind this present condition. Recently, the Joint Action Rehabilitation Committee (JARC) and the Joint Action Committee (JAC) submitted a deputation to the State Tribal Welfare Minister Bikas Debbarma regarding their 9-point demands. They had given the government a 7-day deadline to announce its decision on these demands. However, they allege that neither the government nor the concerned minister has responded to the issue. As a result, they have decided to launch an indefinite national highway and railway blockade from June 24th. This announcement was made during a press conference held at Kumari Madhuti Rupashri Tribal Rest House by representatives of JARC and JAC.
সুতরাং আমরা আজকে বাধ্য হয়ে আগামী 24 তারিখ জুন 2026 আসাম আগরতলা জাতীয় সড়ক 8 নম্বর এবং রেলওয়ে ট্র্যাক সাধুচন্দ্র পাড়াতে আজকে আমরা অনির্দিষ্টকালের জন্য রুট ব্লক এবং রেলওয়ে ব্লক করার জন্য ঘোষণা করতে বাধ্য হয়েছি। আপনারা সকলেই জানেন যে বিভিন্ন সময়ে রাজ্য সরকার আমাদের সাথে তালবাহনা করে চলছে যে আমাদের 9টি দফা দাবি সেটা খুব কঠিন দাবি নয় যে ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যে যেভাবে জনসাধারণকে দেওয়া হয়েছে এইসব দাবি।
It may be noted that the Tripura Guerrilla Returnist Demand Committee had earlier called for national highway and railway blockade from June 5th over similar rehabilitation demands. Later, Tribal Welfare Minister Bikas Debbarma held a meeting with them and convinced them to withdraw the agitation. Subsequently, when surrendered members of the NLFT and ATTF announced similar protest program from June 12th, the minister again intervened and assured them that their demands will be addressed. However, TGRDC, NLFT and ATTF, JARC and JAC have now all announced an agitation. It remains to be seen what course of action the government will take in response to this latest development. Pure Report, Fact Finder.